Imagine the world's most formidable military alliance suddenly feeling a bit like that group project where the star player decides to phone it in. Welcome to the latest chapter in U.S.-NATO relations, where in January 2026, the Trump administration announced plans to slash roughly 200 American positions from key NATO command centers, dialing back involvement in nearly 30 alliance organizations focused on everything from maritime operations to intelligence fusion. This isn't just bureaucratic housekeeping, it's a deliberate pivot, echoing Trump's long-standing gripes about uneven defense spending, where the U.S. has shouldered about 70% of NATO's budget, while many allies lagged behind the 2% GDP target. Though by 2025, 23 of 32 members finally hit that mark, prompted by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Now, with the Hague commitment pushing for 5% by 2035, Europe's getting a not-so-subtle nudge to bulk up its own muscles as the U.S. redirects focus toward the Western Hemisphere and Indo-Pacific threats like China, per the new national security strategy that frames Europe as risking civilizational erasure without reclaiming its sovereignty. Picture the ripple effects. European leaders, already jittery from Trump's Greenland gambit, which sparked unprecedented intra-alliance territorial tensions, are scrambling to fill the void, potentially accelerating talks of an autonomous European defense force, maybe even whispers of a continental nuclear deterrent to counter Russia's hybrid aggressions. For global security, this trim could erode NATO's deterrence edge, emboldening adversaries like Moscow, who've been probing Baltic borders and escalating in Ukraine, where the alliance's unity has been crucial in supplying over $100 billion in aid since 2022. It's a high-stakes irony, the U.S., NATO's architect since 1949, now urging allies to stand taller, which might foster stronger regional pacts, but risks fracturing the post-WWII order that kept major conflicts at bay for decades. Think of it as evolution by necessity. Eastern European nations like Poland, already ramping defense to 4.7% of GDP, could lead mini-alliances, while Western powers like France and Germany ponder independent capabilities, all amid a world where autocrats watch eagerly for cracks. Yet this isn't doom-scrolling, it's a wake-up call, forcing smarter resource allocation and innovation in hybrid warfare defenses, from cyber shields to Arctic patrols. In the end, as the U.S. steps back, the real test for global stability isn't just who fills the boots, it's whether the alliance adapts fast enough to outmaneuver the chaos waiting in the wings.